Gaseous fuels. The gaseous fuels are the most preferred types of fuel because of their ease of storage, transport, handling, and ignition. There are some category or classification of gaseous fuel, either it's primary or secondary. A fuel gas from nature, such as natural gas and methane from coal mines. Fuel gas from solid fuels are producer gas, water gas, coal gas, blast furnace gas, while fuel gas from the petroleum product are the refinery gases, LPG, gases from oil gasification, and the fuel gas made by fermentation of organic waste, such as the biodiesel or biogas. Now I will talk about some of the types of gaseous fuels. First off is the natural gas. It is formed under the earth by the decomposition of vegetable matter lying under water. It is obtained from well dug in the oil-bearing regions and coal fields. It is mainly composed of methane, ethane, propane, butane, and trace number of other hydrocarbons along with hydrogen, carbon dioxide, and monoxide. Natural gas with lower hydrocarbons like CH4 and C2H6, also called marsh gas, as the major constituent is methane. It is mainly used as domestic and industrial fuel raw materials for methanol and formaldehyde preparation. Decompressed natural gas or CNG is a natural gas under pressure which remains clear, odorless, and non-corrosive. Next is the LPG, which is derived from the refinery process of crude oil and natural gas processing plants. The main constituents are lower hydrocarbons up to C4, like butane and isobutanes, isobutylene and propane, etc. LPG is highly inflammable. It can exist as a gas under atmospheric pressure, but can be readily liquefied under pressure, and is done so far for easy transportation and storage. It is cheap, high knock resistance, and burns clearly without leaving any residue, and so mostly used as domestic and industrial fuel. Its calorific value is 28,000 kilocalories per kilogram. It is colorless, odorless. A strong-smelling substance called ethyl mercaptan or C2H5SH or CH3SH is added to LPG cylinder to help the detection of gas leakage. Next is producer gas, which is a mixture of carbon dioxide and nitrogen. The calorific value is about 900 to 1,300 kilocalories per cubic meter. The average composition of producer gas is 20 to 30% of carbon dioxide, hydrogen of 8 to 12%, nitrogen of 50 to 55%, and carbon dioxide of 2 to 3%. It is prepared by passing air mixed with a small volume of steam over red-hot coke at 1,100 degrees Celsius in a specially designed reactor called gas producer. Water gas is a synthetic gas containing CO41 and hydrogen 51 along with small amount of nitrogen, which is 4%, and carbon dioxide of 4%. It's also known as blue gas as it burns with a blue flame when ignited. Its calorific value is about 2,800 kilocalories per cubic meter. It is prepared by passing alternatively steam and little air through a bed of hot coal or coke maintained at about 900 to 1,000 degrees Celsius in a reactor. To enhance the calorific value of water gas, it is carbureted by adding gaseous hydrocarbons. This mixture of water gas and gaseous hydrocarbon is called carburet water gas. Its composition is hydrogen of 35%, carbon dioxide of 25%, hydrocarbons of 35%, and nitrogen and carbon dioxide of 5%. This so-called carbureted water gas has calorific value of about 4,500 kilocalories per cubic meter. It is mainly used for heating and illumination purpose. The semi-water gas is a mixture of water gas and producer gas, also known as semi-water. Its calorific value is 1,700 kilocalories per cubic meter. The aviation fuel is a special type of petroleum-based fuel with high octane number. It is used in aircrafts and in racing cars. It is prepared by mixing alkylate branch paraffins with cracked gasoline containing unsaturated open-chain hydrocarbons. Biodiesel is alternative fuel for diesel engines which are made from vegetable oil or animal fat. Chemically, biodiesel molecules are monoalkyl esters produced usually from triglyceride esters. It is prepared through trans-esterification reaction between monohydroxy alcohol and triglyceride in presence of catalyst. Biogas is methane-rich flammable gas that results from the controlled or uncontrolled anaerobic decomposition of organic waste material. And power alcohol or gasohol is a blend of anhydrous alcohol and petrol. It reduces carbon dioxide emission and causes less pollution compared to petrol.